In this video, I'll show you how to boost a Facebook post using your phone. Boosting a post helps you reach more people and promote your content or business to a larger audience. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into the account that manages your page. Tap the menu icon and go to Pages, then select the page where your post is published. Once your page opens, scroll down and find the post you want to promote. Under the post, tap the Boost Post button. A new screen will open where you can set up your promotion. First, choose your goal, such as getting more engagement, messages, or website visits. Next, select the audience you want to reach. You can choose automatic audience or create a custom audience by selecting location, age, and interests. After that, set your budget and choose how long you want the promotion to run. The app will show you an estimate of how many people your post may reach. Once you finish selecting the options, tap Next and follow the steps to confirm your payment method. After confirming, tap Boost Post to start the promotion. Your post will now be promoted and shown to more people. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials.